I'm Mark with Deskcase, and in 1 minute I'm going to help you understand how to protect your equipment through precision lubrication. Let's talk about the importance of new oil cleanliness. Whether you receive oil in bulk, tote or drum, new oil is typically 4 to 8 times dirtier than recommended for critical applications. But while some people realize this fact and pre-filter new oil, often the act of transferring the oil from storage to the machine causes the most problems. Whenever oil is transferred, the oil should be isolated from the environment through the use of quick couplers. This includes dispensing out of the drum, out of bulk storage systems, and in particular oil transfer containers, which should always remain sealed and be filled with quick connects without removing the lid. Oil top-offs and changes should be done by connecting the filter cart or transfer container directly to the machine using similarly mating quick connects so that the oil is never exposed to the plant air. I'm Mark Barnes, and that's been my 1 minute maintenance tip.